Team, congratulations on just coming to the end of a very productive month here. I tell you, I'm absolutely just blown away by the volume that we're doing right now. I've seen sales just go ahead and just over double and get tripled than what we had last month and stuff, so it's very exciting. And I'm telling you, I'm close to about 1,020 people right now. What I'm seeing right now, and just to give you guys a good sense, because the more you get into this market, the more you can kind of understand and feel the momentum out there. And what I'm seeing is we're actually kind of getting into a place right now where the word is spreading about how good our compensation plan is, how good our products are, and professional network marketers in the industry that are seeing what's going on right now, they understand that this is a tough company to beat, to say the least, right now. So you guys, as we're to the very end of the month here, I want to go ahead and just say that not just congratulations, but it's really important that everyone just take a look in their back office this time at the end of the month. And it's really important, if you go across your top lines, if we just kind of be responsible for everyone taking a look at their first top 2 lines there and making sure that everyone's auto ship orders are placed and that they're got at least 50-point volume going through. Now keep in mind, that's only $50. If we, for example, we take the testosterone, which I love, if we take that right there and plus tax and shipping, we're magically over $50 right there, you're qualified. We want to make sure everyone has their core PV all the way across the front lines. Call them up, drop them a text. Hey, did you check and see? Make sure you get enough PV that you're qualified to get paid, because nothing's worse than being, passing up free money and stuff like that that's coming to you if you're in a position to go ahead and get paid for the month and stuff. And so in moving forward, guys, it's really best to go ahead and have your auto ship set to where they're going out earlier on the month, so we don't come down or we're pushing volume at the very end of the month. The very end of the month should be a time to focus on where we're lacking, to go ahead and play in the different profit pools and stuff like that. So, if you guys can, as leaders, to set the standard for the people that we're bringing on board right now, to set your auto ships for closer to the beginning of the month so there's not a big mad scurry and people have more of a clear view what's going on here at the end of the month. So you guys, congratulations. We're at the very end here, February end. Moving into March, we're going to see some new things. There's going to be some new incentive programs coming about for us all, for people that are on auto ship and that are performing and stuff. And we're going to start just really start turning executives one after another. So, hey, thank you so much for all your guys' hard work. Let's get into this next month, wrap this one up. We're going to be done. Tomorrow's our last day, so double check your auto ship orders. And you guys, let's do this. Take care. Bye-bye.